In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with Monday.com. We'll connect Twilio to Monday.com using Zapier so that activity from Twilio, like incoming messages or calls, can automatically create or update items on your Monday.com boards. Make sure you have active accounts for Zapier, Twilio, and Monday.com, plus at least one board ready in Monday.com and a working Twilio number. Start by heading to Zapier.com and signing into your Zapier account. Create a new Zap and choose the trigger. In the Trigger app search bar, type Twilio, then select Twilio from the results. Next, pick your trigger event. For many use cases, new SMS is a great choice, but you can also use options like new call depending on your workflow. Choose what matches the activity you want to monitor. Now connect your Twilio account. Zapier will prompt you to authorize access, follow the on-screen steps. You'll pull your credentials from your Twilio console. Keep those private and ensure your Twilio phone number is set up to receive the kind of events you selected. When your account is connected, click Continue and run a test. Zapier will try to find a recent sample from Twilio. If nothing shows up, send a quick test message or trigger the event once so Zapier has data to work with. Seeing real sample data here makes the next mapping steps much easier. With the trigger tested, move on to the action. Click to add an action and search for Monday.com. Select Monday.com from the list. Choose your action event based on what you want to happen in Monday.com. Common choices include create item on a board or update column values on an existing item. Pick the one that aligns with your process. Sign into your Monday.com account and approve the connection. Then click Continue and configure the action details. Choose the workspace, board, and group where you want the data to land. Map fields from Twilio, such as from number to number and message body, to the appropriate Monday.com columns. This is where you decide exactly what information should appear in your board. If you use phone or text columns, double check formatting, like including country codes, and consider adding timestamps or message direction for clarity. When everything looks good, click Test. Zapier will send a sample through to Monday.com. Open your board and confirm the item appears as expected with the correct values. If something isn't right, adjust your field mappings and test again until the result matches your goal. That's it, your Twilio trigger and Monday.com action are linked and you've verified the data flows correctly. Thanks for watching and great job streamlining your workflow.